Every dairy product package begins with fresh milk from dedicated dairy farms.
Careful handling ensures consistent milk quality from the very beginning. Strict hygiene standards protect every future dairy product package. Strict hygiene standards protect every future dairy product package. Fresh milk begins its journey through a controlled
Temperature
collection
control
system.
starts immediately after collection. Loose. Rapid cooling keeps dairy products safe and fresh. Every batch is tested before entering the packaging supply
Quality
chain.
verification ensures reliable dairy products.
Precise monitoring maintains consistent production standards.
Proved milk is prepared for transport to the dairy processing facility. Controlled transfer preserves freshness during transport.
Traceability follows every liter of milk.
Fresh milk moves swiftly under controlled conditions. The heart of dairy product production awaits. Every delivery is verified before processing begins. Fresh milk is ready to enter the dairy processing system. The journey from farm to factory is complete, and processing is about to begin.
Processing begins under strict sanitary control. Purity is refined at every stage.
Pasteurization ensures safety and consistency.
Technology creates the texture consumers expect. One ingredient becomes many dairy products. Specialized processes create unique dairy products. Traditional products meet modern automation. Now the packaging journey begins. Packaging begins long before dairy products enter their containers. Precision machines create thousands of dairy packages every hour. Raw plastic transforms into strong dairy packaging containers. Every dairy package is sterilized before filling.
Precision filling ensures consistency in every dairy package.
Automation fills thousands of yogurt packages every minute.
Vacuum packaging preserves freshness and quality. Robotics deliver speed and precision beyond human capability. Airtight seals protect dairy products throughout distribution. Every dairy package receives its identity before inspection. Every package must pass strict inspection.
Precision ensures consistent customer experience.
Automation prepares products for global distribution.
Freshness is protected until delivery. Every package is tracked in real time.
The final stage of the packaging journey begins.
Fresh dairy products head towards stores nationwide.
The supply chain delivers freshness to consumers.
From farm to package, every dairy product reflects a remarkable industrial journey.